Question number 25 on the reading portion of College Board Test 3. In the second paragraph, lines 12 to 32, the incident involving the local rancher mainly serves to. So mainly serves to, what does it serve to do? What does it bring to the table? The incident involving the local rancher mainly serves to. 12 to 32. So what does that interjection by the rancher serve to do? I think it serves to show how Ken Dial's experiment was messed up and not natural. That the rancher took one look at the setup and he said, this is not how the birds naturally are. You know, you put them in a particular way, but that's not actually how they exist in the world. They don't like to be on the ground. They like to be on a perch. They like to be on a ledge. They like to, you know, have a vantage point. So I think the local rancher, that whole thing about that mainly serves to, let's look, A, reveal Ken Dial's motivation for undertaking his project. What? I don't understand how being proven wrong or being proven like, hey, this is not quite right, that really reveals his motivations. I don't even know how those connect. Underscore certain differences between laboratory and field research. Is this the main reason why they bring it up in order to show, like, and the moral of the story is there's differences in field work versus lab work? Maybe? I don't know. Show how an unanticipated piece of information influenced Ken Dial's research. Maybe. It was unanticipated. He wasn't expecting it to be a thing. And what happened? It turned out to change his whole understanding of the project. He didn't know that birds like to be perched up, and that actually changed the way, because he always thought, oh, they're like popcorn. They're flying from the ground up. That's how they learn how to develop. But he says it's a combination of both. After he finds out this from being on the ledge, how they get on ledges and things like that, that they do a little bit of both. They're on a vantage point to go down, but they also need to get up there. Maybe. What about D? Introduce a key contributor to the tree down theory. Okay, that's like a little bit too specific. We're being forced to, you know, accept something by the College Board that's not entirely what this question's asking. Because the question's asking, like, the rancher, the incident, learning about the environment that these birds occupy with perches, mainly serves to introduce a key contributor to the tree down theory. Is this rancher a key contributor to the tree down theory? It's very narrow. It's not just tree down, it's also ground up. So I don't like on how we're being, you know, pigeonholed into believing just tree down, and that's the main breakthrough that we found as a result of this rancher's piece of advice. I think the answer number 25 is going to be C. What is the local rancher, you know, and providing mainly served to do? It shows how this unanticipated, this unknown piece of information changed the way that he did his whole experiment. That's definitely true for C. What about B? Underscore certain differences. That's not the main reason why they did this. This is not a piece to caution against differences between lab work and field work. This is not a cautionary tale of saying, and this is why we need to, you know, the main takeaway of this is that we need to realize there's differences. No, this is all about his experiment, and this new development led him to create additional insight and additional understanding of a problem. The answer number 25 is going to be C.